In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to your Squarespace website seamlessly. Whether you're highlighting key information or redirecting visitors to another page, this process will make your site more interactive and user-friendly. First, we need to access your Squarespace dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can make the necessary changes to your website. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a list of your websites. Here, select the particular website that you want to work on. It's important to ensure you're on the correct project if you have multiple sites under your account. After selecting your website, go ahead and click on the website itself to open its management menu. You should then see a range of options, and you want to click on the Pages option. This will take you to the list of pages that make up your website. Now find the specific page you wish to work on. Click on it, and you'll see an option to edit in the top left corner. Press Edit so you can start making your adjustments. Now that you're in the editing mode, find the text that you wish to turn into a hyperlink. Highlight this text carefully to ensure your link will be applied correctly. Once highlighted, look for the link icon. It often resembles a chain link. Click this icon and you'll see an option to paste or select a destination URL. If you have a specific URL in mind, paste it in. Otherwise, Squarespace may provide suggestions from the links and pages already associated with your site. Once the URL is set, you have the option to decide how you want this link to operate. If you'd like the link to open in a new tab, which is often recommended for external links so visitors aren't navigated away from your site, you can simply toggle the Open in New tab option. This way, visitors will have the freedom to browse linked content without losing their place on your website. After setting up your hyperlink just the way you want it, it's crucial to save your changes to avoid losing your work. In the top left corner, you'll notice a Save button. Click it to ensure everything is securely updated. Once you've completed these steps, you're done with adding your hyperlink. Remember, hyperlinks can really contribute to the usability and navigation of your website, so feel free to get creative and use them where appropriate. If you need to make further changes, you can always press Save again from the top left corner to update any revisions. And that's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to your Squarespace site.